Okay, we have a Southwestern Industries CNC vertical mill, model FHM7, serial number 06CY14648. Machine was new in 2006. We're going to run it for you. This is a big boy. It's got a 76 by 14 inch table, 60 inches of X-axis travel, 23 inches of saddle, and 20.5 of Z head. The quill diameter is 5 inches also. What's nice about this machine, it has electronic hand wheels with tracking. You have a Windows-based PROTO-TRAK SMX control. You can see him using the digital hand wheels right now. When you use the hand wheels, the control becomes a digital readout. All the axes are quiet. Machine has a 40 taper, 1,000 RPM. It has up to 5,000 RPM variable speed. 2,000. Again, it's 40 taper. It does have a power drawbar also. 3,000. Okay. Again, all the axes are ball screws and servo drives. There's your options package. Joshua, what is that? What does it have on it?
Advanced features, networking, programmable electronics, and tracking and.
Okay. What he said. Thank you for watching our video.